is iFlip a good fit for someone with no stock experience whatsoever?
Yeah, so if you don't have experience, typically, and even people that do, oftentimes people invest just by giving money to an advisor or their financial planner or someone like that. And they're very hands-off with it, which is fine because that doesn't add anything to their plate. What they don't get is the technology, the AI side that we can kind of provide. So if they want to be more in control, oftentimes they learn how to trade themselves, but that takes a lot of time to understand and learn, what should I be looking to buy? When should I buy it? When should I sell it? That sort of stuff. We're kind of the combination of the two where it's really a low barrier to entry because you don't have to learn about the stock market and be extremely proficient with it, but you still get to be very hands-off because the AI is doing pretty much everything for you.
Yeah, absolutely. And I'll just add to that if you have no experience, even if you have no experience, you've probably heard some buzzwords like compounding interest, right? I think it was Albert Einstein or somebody who said, compounding is the eighth wonder of the world or something like that. It's one of those forces that cannot be underestimated. And you want that kind of effect on your investment. And the problem with buying and holding is you compound your gains over time, but you also compound your losses if you're absorbing all of the damage that a market like 2022 is giving you, or 2020, or 2018. There's been many market crashes over the past couple of decades, and if you're absorbing all that damage, you're compounding losses in addition to the gains. So at iFlip, we thought, well, what if AI could help you compound your gains, but not your losses, by making it a flat zero? Don't participate in the losses to the best of your ability, or the AI's ability, I should say. Another buzzword that you may have heard of, or buzz phrase, I should say, in this case, is you can't time the market, right? So stay in. That's kind of the common catchphrase for traditional financial advisors, and there's a lot of truth to that. But I would qualify that by saying, if you have no experience, timing the market is going to be very difficult for you as a person, because it takes a tremendous amount of discipline, and not everybody's cut out for that game. It's kind of like a sport, right? Not everybody's cut out to be a professional NFL football player or a basketball player. However, timing the market isn't that difficult for a computer, for an AI model that never gets emotional, never gets tired, or anything like that. So we use that to our advantage so that you can have a passive investing experience, again with the compound gains, but not compounded losses. So it really is kind of the best fit, even if you have experience. I'm a trader myself. I have good days, I have bad days, and I still think iFlip is the best investment vehicle.
You don't have to spend your time on it. That's what I love.
That's why I don't have to do anything. I just park my money and let the AI do its thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.